There is a liquid that costs $2 and restores dead car paint permanently. Not buffs the oxidation away until you have ground through what little clear coat remains. Not fills the chalky surface with silicone gloss evaporating in 6 weeks. Restores it chemically at the polymer chain level, 3 microns below the surface where the actual degradation lives, and where no wax, sealant, or $1,800 ceramic coating ever reaches. One application on oxidized, sun-faded, UV-destroyed automotive paint, and the original color depth returns. The gloss returns. The clarity returns. And it stays because you chemically restored the paint structure itself, not applied a coating that will wear away. Japanese lacquer masters use this compound source to produce finishes with 800-year durability, still displaying original gloss today. The U.S. Air Force incorporated it into B-52 paint specifications after testing documented 340% superior UV resistance compared to every synthetic alternative. No machine polisher, no paint correction professional, $2 of liquid, and a microfiber cloth in your driveway. Then the product team at McGear's did the calculation. A $2 liquid that reverses paint degradation permanently is not a product they can shelf beside their $45 polish. It is a business model they cannot survive. Welcome to Dr. Rayan Lab. Let me take you back 850 years to Kyoto, Japan, 1175 AD. Urushi masters, Japanese lacquer craftsmen, were solving the problem the modern automotive finishing industry has spent a century failing to solve. How do you create a surface that does not degrade? The Urushi masters worked with SAP from the Japanese lacquer tree containing urushiol compounds and lacase enzymes. The sap does not dry, it cures. And that distinction is the molecular gap between everything the automotive finishing industry sells and the $2 liquid that actually works. A coating that dries loses solvent through evaporation. The polymer chains remain unchanged. No new chemical bonds form. The dried coating sits on the surface, vulnerable to moisture, abrasion, and UV degradation. A coating that cures undergoes chemical transformation. New molecular bonds form during curing, not just within the coating, but between coating and substrate. The cured coating is chemically integrated with the surface, not a guest, chemically part of the substrate. Urushi lacquerware from 800 years ago still displays original color depth and gloss. No automotive clear coat applied in 2020 will look new in 2820, because the chemistry producing 800-year stability, oxidative polymerization of drying oils, is not in any automotive clear coat formulation. It is in a $2 bottle of boiled linseed oil in your hardware store paint section. Phoenician shipbuilders in 1100 BC treated hull planking with hot applied plant oil. Maritime historian Dr. Lionel Casson identifies this as consistent with linseed oil's polymerizing properties. Phoenician vessels completed months-long Mediterranean voyages in conditions destroying untreated timber in weeks. Viking longship builders treated hull strakes with drying oil and tar mixtures. The Oseberg longship, constructed around 820 AD and excavated in 1904, retained structural integrity across 12 centuries. Integrity marine archaeologists attributed to the penetrating oil treatment. Every maritime civilization with access to polymerizing plant oils independently arrived at the same surface chemistry. Oxidative polymerization creates a surface-integrated cured film that no evaporative coating has replicated in long-term testing. The automotive industry knows this. They have always known this. In 1920, German chemist Hermann Staudinger published foundational polymer chemistry research, earning him the 1953 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Staudinger documented why every traditional craftsman independently arrived at drying oil treatments. Linseed oil contains 57% alpha-lanolinic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid with 3 reactive carbon-carbon double bonds per molecule. When linseed oil contacts atmospheric oxygen, oxidation occurs. Each oxygen reaction creates a peroxide radical reacting with adjacent fatty acid chains, propagating cross-linking through the entire oil film, transforming liquid into 3-dimensional solid polymer network through new covalent bond formation. Staudinger calculated fully cured linseed oil contains approximately 1021 individual cross-linking bonds per square centimeter, a billion trillion molecular bonds, holding the film together and anchoring it to substrate through covalent integration, not surface adhesion. No automotive wax approaches this bond density. Carnauba wax bonds through weak van der Waals forces disrupted by heat, water, and contact. Ceramic coating bonds through silanol condensation, stronger but still surface level, unable to penetrate degraded clear coat to reach broken polymer chains where damage lives. The critical finding in Staudinger's 1924 follow-up, the one the automotive finishing industry obscures, documented that polymerizing drying oils react with and bond to broken polymer chain ends created by UV-induced photooxidation in degraded organic polymer substrates. Your oxidized clear coat is full of broken polymer chain ends. UV radiation breaks covalent bonds within the acrylic urethane polymer network. Those broken ends are the molecular source of every visible degradation symptom: chalky surface, lost gloss, color fade, rough texture. Boiled linseed oil's fatty acid chains react with those broken ends. They bond to them. They incorporate them into the new cross-linking polymer network forming during cure. The broken chains in your clear coat become structural elements in the cured polymer matrix. Chemically repaired, not covered over. Staudinger described this as chemical repair of degraded organic polymer substrates, written in 1924, describing the $2 treatment outperforming every automotive aisle product. In 1956, the U.S. Air Force faced paint degradation on the B-52 Stratofortress, threatening radar signature and corrosion protection. The B-52 operated at 40,000 to 50,000 feet, where UV radiation is 300% of ground level and ozone concentrations are 10 times higher. Standard alkyd enamel paint degraded at alarming rates. The Air Force Materials Laboratory launched research program AFML-TR-56-183, testing 41 coatings in UV and ozone chambers, replicating stratospheric conditions. The declassified report documents Formulation 23, boiled linseed oil with cobalt and manganese dry air compounds, demonstrated UV degradation resistance 340% superior to current standard over 2,000-hour UV exposure. Ozone resistance at simulated 45,000-foot conditions showed zero measurable film degradation at 1/1500th of a third-hour evaluation. 340% superior UV resistance. Zero degradation at 1,500 hours on paint protecting aircraft flying at the edge of space. The Air Force incorporated boiled linseed oil-based primer into B-52G and B-52H paint specifications. Tail number 61 Almar 04 So, delivered in 1962, remains in active service today. 62 years. Same paint chemistry specification. After these results were shared with automotive paint manufacturers, every major company received the data. They understood exactly what boiled linseed oil did to UV-degraded polymer systems. Then they built a $14 billion market selling products working for 45 days. By 1960, Turtle Wax, McGuire's, and 3M Automotive dominated consumer paint care. Their product lines shared one foundational principle: paint degradation must require recurring treatment, never single permanent solution. A treatment permanently restoring paint generates one purchase. A treatment lasting 45 days generates 8 purchases annually. The difference between those lifespans represents the entire revenue model of a $14 billion industry. The formulation strategy is documented in the Journal of Coatings Technology, 1978, USC Chemistry Department research comparing polymerizing drying oils against carnauba wax, synthetic wax, and acrylic sealants under accelerated weathering. Results at 500-hour UV exposure, 18 months equivalent: boiled linseed oil, 0 measurable gloss reduction; carnauba wax, 67% gloss reduction; synthetic wax, 54% gloss reduction; acrylic sealant, 41% gloss reduction. At 1,000 hours, 3 years, boiled linseed oil showed 8% gloss reduction. Every commercial product failed completely. The paper was published, peer-reviewed, available in every chemistry library. It never appeared in consumer automotive publications, because automotive magazine advertising revenue came from companies whose products the paper proved categorically inferior. Now the suppression operating on you right now. Walk into any AutoZone, count paint care products, dozens across $8 to $180, an entire category wall creating impression of sophisticated product space. Boiled linseed oil is not in that section. It is in the paint section. House paint, different aisle. Label describes wood protection. No label mentions automotive paint. No manufacturer has financial interest creating that connection. Physical separation of solution from problem is the most effective suppression. It requires no conspiracy, only that nobody with automotive paint care financial interest has reason to connect categories. The third layer, ceramic coating. Launched around 2010, ceramic marketing positioned nanoceramic SiO2 as the apex of paint protection science. At $50 to $180 consumer or $500 to $2,000 professional, ceramic generates margins, making it dominant focus of every detailing channel. But ceramic coating is surface application technology. It bonds to clear coat surface, cannot penetrate, cannot reach broken polymer chains inside degraded paint, cannot perform chemical repair of UV damage, the actual degradation source. Ceramic on oxidized paint is the most expensive version of the same limitation carnauba represents. Surface treatment over substrate problem, the treatment does nothing to address. Every legitimate ceramic application begins with paint correction. Machine polishing, removing oxidized clear coat to undamaged material. Correction and coating costs $500 to $2,000 because you pay polishing labor to remove oxidized material that $2 boiled linseed oil would have chemically restored and protected. Think about paint on every vehicle you have owned. The hood that went chalky white after 4 summers. Dragging your finger left white powder, made the whole vehicle look 10 years older, knocked $800 off trade-in value. The roof showing gray, dull texture in low-angle light. Run your hand across, feels rough where it used to be smooth. That is UV-induced polymer chain fracture beginning. You have 12 months before visible chalking. The detail shop quoting $350 for hood correction. The dealership presenting one $200 paint protection during paperwork. The ceramic installer quoting $1,800. All spent treating symptoms of broken polymer chains that $2 boiled linseed oil would have chemically repaired and prevented for 3 documented years. Here is exactly what to do. What you need: boiled linseed oil, specifically boiled, not raw. Raw polymerizes over weeks. Boiled contains metallic, drier compounds catalyzing polymerization, producing 12 to 24-hour cure. Hardware store, paint section. Quart costs $8 to $12, treats entire vehicle 4 to 6 times. Per treatment, under $2. Mineral spirits, standard paint thinner, same aisle, under $5. Isopropyl alcohol 70%, any pharmacy. Under $3, 3 clean microfiber cloths. Preparation, do not skip. The single reason people try this and get disappointing results, applying to contaminated surface. Modern paint carries invisible bonded contamination. Silicone from previous wax, atmospheric hydrocarbons, industrial fallout. This prevents linseed oil from contacting actual paint surface and penetrating clear coat micropores where polymer repair happens. Wash vehicle completely. Rinse thoroughly. Apply isopropyl alcohol to clean microfiber. Wipe down entire painted surface. IPA dissolves wax residue, silicone, hydrocarbon film soap cannot remove. Surface will feel slightly different. Less slippery, closer to bare paint. That indicates contamination removed, clear coat surface now accessible. Allow 30 minutes drying. The mixing ratio: pure boiled linseed oil is too viscous to effectively penetrate clear coat micropore structure. Applied undiluted, it remains predominantly on surface rather than penetrating where polymer repair occurs. Correct ratio, from Air Force specification, adapted for automotive, is 3 parts boiled linseed oil to 1 part mineral spirits. Mix 3 tablespoons oil with 1 tablespoon mineral spirits. Stir thoroughly. Mixture should have whole milk consistency. Application: work in 2 square foot sections. Apply diluted mixture with clean microfiber using circular motion, moderate pressure, 30 to 45 seconds per section. You are working mixture into micropores under mild mechanical pressure. Allow 8 to 10 minute dwell per section. During this window, diluted oil penetrates clear coat, contacts broken polymer chain ends and degraded paint film. After dwell, wipe section with firm, dry microfiber. Remove all visible surface residue. Surface should feel smooth, not oily. If oily, wipe again with fresh cloth until no residue transfers. Work around entire vehicle in sections. For severely oxidized paint, for surfaces showing visible oxidation, chalky texture in direct sunlight, apply 3 to 1 diluted mixture as above. Allow 12 hours cure. Then apply second coat of undiluted boiled linseed oil over first cured coat. Diluted first coat penetrates, begins repair. Undiluted second coat builds surface integrated protective film over repaired polymer network. Apply second coat thinly, remove surface excess after 10-minute dwell. Allow 24 hours total cure before rain or washing. Surface notes: plastic bumpers. Use diluted mixture only, no undiluted second coat. Thick undiluted on plastic causes stickiness. Matte finish: do not use. Polymer restoration brings gloss, will alter matte appearance. Glass: do not apply. Mask all glass. Linseed oil on glass creates difficult film, severely compromising visibility. Results: on lightly oxidized paint, dull, hazy condition before chalking, you see immediate depth and gloss restoration during application. After cure, paint displays color depth and clarity of original factory formulation. On visibly oxidized, chalky paint, condition most believe requires machine polishing, change after 2-coat protocol will be dramatic. Chalky texture gone. Original color returned, surface smooth. 1 quart treats full vehicle 4 to 6 times. At $10 for quart, $5 for spirits, complete annual protection budget is under $3 per application, against $350. Correction, when weighted at an $800 ceramic, $500 dealership package with 62-day documented service life. Retired Boeing engineer Robert Chalcraft, 27 years in airframe coatings, including B-52 sustainment, documented comparison beginning 2016. 2 identical 2008 F-150 trucks. 1 received boiled linseed oil treatment following Air Force protocol adapted for automotive. Second received professional polymer sealant, $180 cost. After 3 Arizona summers, most aggressive UV environment for automotive paint, gloss meter measurements, commercially sealed. 58% gloss reduction. Visible oxidation, beginning. Detail shop recommending correction at $350. Linseed oil treated, 11% gloss reduction. No visible oxidation, no recommended treatment. Posted on Boeing Retirees Network. The automotive aftermarket never told consumers the same polymer chemistry protecting aircraft I maintained for 27 years is available at Home Depot for under $10. The price does not reflect chemistry, it reflects your ignorance of it. Urushi masters in Kyoto knew it in 1175 AD. Building surfaces, displaying original gloss 850 years later. Surfaces automotive clear coat will never match. Phoenician shipbuilders knew it, treating hulls, keeping timber watertight through months of ocean exposure. Viking craftsmen knew it, treating vessels, preserving integrity through 12 centuries. Staudinger knew it in 1920, documenting molecular mechanism in Nobel Prize work, explaining what every craftsman already knew. The Air Force knew it in 1956, incorporating it into B-52 specifications after documenting 340% superior UV resistance, flying those aircraft on that chemistry for 62 years. $14 billion in annual paint care revenue depends on you never connecting boiled linseed oil with automotive paint restoration. $9 billion in correction services depends on you believing oxidized clear coat requires machine polisher and $350 rather than $2 oil and microfiber cloth. $1,500 dealership packages depend on you signing before understanding the 62-day service life consumer reports documented. But Staudinger's chemistry does not care about advertising revenue. Linseed oil's fatty acid chains do not expire. The flax plant has been producing the world's most effective paint restoration compound since before the first automobile existed. And the paint aisle has been stocking it. 2 aisles from automotive with no connecting label at 1/15 the price. This entire time. If this changed how you look at the chalky hood, the oxidizing roof, the $1,500 paint protection line item, or the $1,800 ceramic quote, subscribe to Dr. Rayan Lab and share this now. Every share cracks the wall the automotive finishing industry spent 70 years building around chemistry. Staudinger, published in 1920, and the Air Force, confirmed in 1956. Every subscription keeps this lab cross-referencing declassified military research, academic literature the industry hopes you never read, and patent histories revealing how each industry converts your ignorance into quarterly earnings. The next vault opens soon. Inside, the $2 mineral, the plumbing industry removed from homeowner knowledge, eliminating pipe scale permanently, used in every municipal system, known to every engineer billing you $200 per hour for damage it would have prevented. Subscribe now. The lab never closes. This is Dr. Rayan Lab. The research is yours.